is a quick tutorial on how to semi-fix your snowball stand that has gone El Floppo. Some of you that have this know that this thing is just worthless. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this bad boy off like this. The only thing you're going to need is a tiny little screw, and I'm not sure what size the screw is, but so we're going to take that off, put that there. We're going to grab our handy dandy screwdriver like so. Just kind of loosen this, and this will be able to actually just twist off. Okay. Note to self. This rubber piece right here goes in the middle. So this piece right here, as you can see, is kind of worn out on one side. Just flip it over. There you go. And then just leave that just the way it is. So it's the rubber piece in between the main piece there, and then this goes over the top. So just leave those right there. Okay, in here, you're gonna notice, see if I can focus, that these little pieces just kind of flip-flop back and forth. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this tiny little screw right here, and we're gonna just pull these pieces in together with your hand. And I want you to just kind of put the screw in. You're gonna have to find the right screw. I'm not even sure what size it is, but keep them together. Tighten it all the way down with your fingers until you get to almost to the point where you can't go any further. You could take a screwdriver and hold it, I suppose. And this will stop these little pieces right here from flopping, because basically, if you see how this screw works, it fits right where these pieces hit, so it will give you some adjustment, and you may have to play with this. It's not going to be perfect, but it is a fix nonetheless. So I'll just screw this back together, and there is a little piece right here that has to go in. See right here? Just find the notch and then tighten this down. Tighten it up. Screw your snowball back together. Tighten that up. And now, there you go. Almost as good as new. You'll probably have to loosen the screw a little bit, but at least it doesn't flop all the way to the ground. Anyway, if you like the video, like and subscribe. Appreciate you watching.